Hello, and welcome to Southeast Wiring Solutions' quick tutorial on how to change user codes on the Alula touchpad panel. Your first step is going to be to touch the menu stack button in the upper top left-hand corner. This is going to display all menu options on your touchpad. Your next thing to do is going to be to press the settings button, and it's going to display all settings options available. Once here, press the panel option, and it will prompt you to enter in your user code. Now this will need to be the master user code for the system. I shall enter in mine now. Once in the panel settings, you'll see a few options such as sensor chime, quick arm, users, keypads, and communication test. We're going to touch the users tab. Once underneath users, you'll see a few different things, specifically a add button in the top upper right hand corner where you can add users, as well as the users already on the system. Since we're here to edit user codes, I'll keep things short and sweet. Your next step is going to be hit user options underneath the user you wish to change. Once underneath user options, you'll see many different things that you can give permissions to for this user, such as bypassing zones, disarming the system, arming stay, night, and away, and arming the system for all off. There are a few more options, but what we're here today to do is change the PIN code for the user. Here you'll actually be able to touch the eye with the line button and be able to see the user code for this user. It's currently 1234, but let's go ahead and change it so it's a little bit safer. We're going to enter in the following code and then hit the check mark followed by the save button. Once hitting save, it will return you back to the users tab. Here you can add users once more or edit other users' PIN codes. If you want to check to make sure it was saved, simply hit users options and scroll back down to the bottom and press your password view. Here you can see that I changed it over from the 1234 to the 1992. Thank you for choosing Southeast Wirings. I hope you will now be able to edit all user codes on your Alula Connect touchpad panel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.